Hi everyone, I am Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about yet another disease condition, that is diabetes. Diabetes is a disease condition where your blood sugar level or the blood glucose level raises to unexpected heights, which may cause various kinds of diseases over a period of time. And there are mainly three types of diabetes which are recognized. Those are type 1, type 2 and also gestational diabetes. Now, what are some of the symptoms of diabetes? Symptoms of diabetes constitute of increased amount of thirst, urination, then unexplained weight loss, feeling much more tired during the day and night, and also blurred vision. But most of the kinds of diabetes, or most of the times, you would not experience any kind of signs or symptoms. Now, what are some of the diagnostic techniques which are available in order to detect diabetes? There are various diagnostic techniques like fasting plasma diagnostic therapy or random plasma diagnostic therapy. Or in the case of gestational diabetes, you can also undergo the glucose challenge test, which helps to detect the amount of diabetes or sugar or glucose level in your blood. Now, what are some of the treatment plans which are provided? In the case of diabetes, you would be provided with diabetes pills or shots of insulins. Then you will be advocated to go on a proper diet with excess amount of physical activity. But in some cases, you will be advocated to undergo certain types of surgeries like the weight loss surgery. So these were some of the major points you need to keep in mind whenever you receive a case note or a case study regarding or related to this kind of a disease condition. So I hope it was useful and informative.